Hey YouTube, it's On the Lock Journey, and today I'm answering a question that got submitted to me under a video, which was, what do I wash my locks with? If you're interested to find out, stay tuned. So I follow the KISS method when it comes to my locks, which is keep it simple, stupid. And so I choose products, as I've said in previous videos, and I'll probably be a broken record every time someone asks me about products. I choose things that are liquid at room temperature and that are generally see-through. And so I sometimes pick up the cheapest thing on the shelf at the dollar store. So here is my empty bottle of VO5 clarifying shampoo, and you can see that this bottle has mostly water in it. So I will take a shampoo that's relatively clarifying, so that's already a shampoo that's known to take out buildup out of here, to take out the buildup out of your hair, and I dilute it to be mostly water. So this suds up really well in my locks. And then I keep one empty bottle that I reuse, and then I pour my shampoo of choice into said empty bottle. So right now I've been using Suave, which is also a cheap dollar store brand. And I will pour some Suave into here. I'll fill it up maybe to this level, and then the rest of this bottle will be filled with water, shake it up, and then this mostly water mixture is what I use to wash my locks. So that can be very drying. So after I wash my locks, I like to follow up with a hot oil treatment, or sometimes I'll use a shampoo that is more moisturizing. And so I have these shampoo bars. So I have two shampoo bars that I've used in the past that have been good conditioners, but I know that they need a residue. Here I have the Shea Moisture African Black Soap. This was gifted to me by my mother-in-law. I've used it in my hair. It's actually supposed to be a face bar, but the main ingredients are just African black soap, shea butter, oats, and aloe. All things that I'm willing to put into my hair. So I've used this on my locks, and I just use the full bar and lather. Another one that was gifted to me by my mother-in-law is this coconut hibiscus soap. Also by Shea Moisture. Same thing, it's supposed to be a face bar or a body bar, but all of the ingredients, I can find them. I cannot find the ingredients. Yes. All the ingredients in here are something that I would put on my locks, and so I've used this as more of a hydrating shampoo. And sometimes if I'm really in the mood and my locks are very dry, I will do a conditioner. I'll use a conditioner also highly diluted like this. But then rinse for a very long time. So I'm very simple. I use any shampoo that's clear. The brand doesn't really matter to me as much as the fact that I will dilute said shampoo so that I can rinse through my locks. I really permeate my locks and then rinse out pretty easily. And that's how I've relatively avoided build-up. And I don't use products that are pretty expensive. Sometimes if I feel like treating myself, I'll move up the ladder to a more expensive shampoo, but then again, the same rules apply. So I'll choose something that is clear or transparent or near that, and then I dilute the heck out of it before I put it onto my locks. Hope that helps. And are there any other questions about my lock maintenance or anything else that you might be wondering about on the lock journey? If so, leave it in the comments below. And what do you wash with? Do you use a specific brand of shampoo? Do you stay away from clarifying shampoos? Do you even know what your loctician uses? If you don't maintain your own hair, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next video.